Upo na
Okay.
kami. Upo ka na ako.
So, our next procedure is assessing the nose and sinuses. So, we're gonna introduce ourselves to the patient. So, good evening, ma'am. My name is Marshall Bertie from the University of St. Anthony. And I will be your student nurse for today. So, after that, we're gonna verify our client's identity. Ma'am, can you cite your name, ma'am?
I'm San Pasyente.
So, we have verified our client's identity. So, we're gonna state the purpose of this assessment for ma'am. And we're gonna explain that we will do. So, ma'am, our assessment for today is assessing the nose and sinuses. So, this procedure, we're gonna assess your nose and sinuses for any abnormalities and normal findings, and the data that will be gathered will be beneficial for us in the future. So, after that, we're gonna provide client's privacy by closing the windows, curtains, and doors. And after that, we're gonna inquire for any history of pain. Ma'am, do you have any pain or swelling in your ears? Ay, kakat na yun. So, do you have any history or pain on your nose or sinuses? You have,
None.
so, ma'am have none of the pain and swelling on her sinuses. So, next is we're gonna inspect mom's nose. So, we're gonna inspect it left and right for size, symmetry, and color. And also the sinuses. So, and also the tip of the nose. So, it's completely normal. And after that, we're gonna inspect the nasal cavities. So, okay, it is completely normal naman. And after that, we're gonna palpate the maxillary frontal sinuses. So, we're gonna palpate. Ma'am, we're gonna palpate, ma'am.
Yeah.
So we have palpated and there is no pain, ma'am. You have
None.
experienced pain, so there is no pain and it's completely normal. So after that, we're gonna document all the findings that we have gathered and we're gonna perform hand hygiene again. So it is done.